B.N.O.S Electronics linear amplifier. Fault, preamp not working. Simple enough fault to find. Basically dismantle the thing anyway. Basically, I mean, that's the case. As you can see, there's 4 spaces there which line up with 4 screws on the board. Here, and here, and here, and here. Take the 2 screws out on the front. You don't need to remove the middle one. On the back, remove all the screws. That way it just slides out of the case. The fault was found to be this relay wasn't operating, and it's a that's the preamp relay, and that's your TX relay. The original relays were these ones, which were PED, which I think these are the same, they're just RS version of the same thing. Quite an old relay now. Quick overview of the board. Seems to work okay for everything else. 1 watt in, giving me about 24 to 27 watts out. I can't quite remember which it was, but it seems to work fine now. I'll change both the relays just as a matter of course. I'll just flip the board over so you can have a quick look. Oh yeah, don't forget these 2 screws here need to be removed as well, and you will need some heatsink compound put back together. This is the opposite side of the board. Nothing really to report on. It's quite old technology now, nice to work on, easy. Soldering wasn't particularly brilliant on it. I brushed a couple of the joints up, obviously hand soldered by somebody. But this model is the 3 watts in, 50 watts out. Everything else seems to work fine on it, no problem at all. I tested it on this bit of equipment I've got here and that. Everything seems to work fine. As I say, just come down to this relay. I think it's probably just an intermittent contact on it, because the relay was clicking, but it was, the preamp was just intermittent sort of thing. Well, it seems to work fine now. I've tested it, and it works great. So this is just a quick overview, as I say, of this B.N.O.S Electronics preamp. It's the more basic model without the bar graph on it, but it'll suit my 705. It's 1 to 3 watts in, I think gives 50 watts out, so that should do me okay. If you are servicing one of these, I'll just give a quick scan across the board so you can have a quick look. That corder's not particularly brilliant there, but I'm not going to mess with it, because so you can see any diodes or component values that may have burnt out on anything else that you're working on. There's quite a large diode down there. Power supply's a bit cheap and nasty, the way it's just soldered to the board, but all the power leads are over. And there's your main amp. But yeah, I mean, there you go. Simple enough to work on. I like this older stuff, the conventional components. Makes life a lot easier for tracing through. I bought it on eBay expecting really a component failure on it, really, as regards I don't know, FET or something, but it really is just the relay. Bit boring to fix really, but it's an overview for you anyway. That's the back of the board. I hope that's a help if you've got one of these and you just want to have a quick look around inside it and how to dismantle it. Very easy to take apart. So